This is a 250 square yard 4 BHK builder floor in Rajouri Garden, built by one of the finest builders of West Delhi. Let's take you on a tour of this property. So this is the living area of this builder floor. It has a lot of detailing work done. You have a chandelier. This is a new height floor. You have an 11.5 feet of ceiling height. You have a glass paneling at one corner of it. This is your wooden plus stone paneling done at one full wall of this living area. This is a fully air conditioned home from Daikin. Let me also just describe you the map of this builder floor. We are in the living section. You have one bedroom at the front attached to the balcony. Then you have, walking through this corridor, you have a kitchen and 3 bedrooms at the back. So by the living area, we have the first bedroom of this builder floor. अब ये bedroom जो है front के ऊपर है. You have access to the balcony through this door. You have a 4-door wardrobe. पूरी wardrobe के सारे panels PU matte polish के अंदर polished है. You have a POP molding work done at the back of the bed. इसके साथ attached washroom है. अब इस washroom के अंदर सारी जो walls हैं वो stone cladded है. सारा Italian marble इसके ऊपर लगा हुआ है with a detailing work done. So walking through this corridor, we are heading to the back of the property. अब ये कॉरिडोर बहुत अच्छे से बनाया हुआ है. मूविंग थ्रू दिस कॉरिडोर, वी एंटर द सेकंड बेडरूम ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी. अब ये प्रॉपर्टी का सेकंड बेडरूम है, छोटा बेडरूम है. यू कैन मेक दिस एज अ गेस्ट बेडरूम और a kid's bedroom. You have a POP work done at the back. You have a small cutout space for your study. This also has an attached washroom. You have a wardrobe with the space for an LED. Again, you have a wall cladding of Italian stone on the walls. All the fittings and fixtures are off the top of the line. So इस second bedroom के opposite through the corridor you have your kitchen. अब ये किचन बहुत अच्छे से बनाई गई है, बहुत फंक्शनल किचन है, fully loaded. You have your microwave and oven, chimney and hob all from Hefle. It's a top of the line brand. अब आपके overhead cabinets के जो भी panels हैं, they have used glass and a PU matte polish. They have sufficient number of pull-out drawers. These are for your vegetables. This is your pull-out pantry with the glass panel door. Pull-out drawers. बहुत अच्छे से किचन को बनाया है इन्होंने. It's very aesthetically pleasing. You also have a cutout space for a refrigerator. So moving out of this kitchen, this corridor is very well made. You have a wooden paneling on the false ceiling. अब ये space cutout इन्होंने दिया हुआ है. You can use it for your storage of the keys and other miscellaneous articles. You have 3 drawers at the bottom. Now this is your third bedroom. बहुत अच्छे से बनाया हुआ बेडरूम है. You have a bed back, decorated bed back. इन्होंने गोल्डन ग्लास का यूज़ किया है इसके ऊपर. अब ये PVC है, आपको ऐसा लगेगा जैसे क्विल्टिंग हुई है. So this bedroom also has an access to the washing area, a utility area. This bedroom has an attached washroom. This washroom is connected to this bedroom also and to the second bedroom. At the end of the corridor, you have your 4th bedroom. Now, this bedroom is of a master bedroom size. You have a split AC fitting, access to the utility area. You have a full wall, full height wardrobe with the glass paneling and a wooden paneling with the PU matte finish. अब ये बेड बैग के ऊपर जो इन्होंने वुडन पैनलिंग का काम किया हुआ है, इट इज़ वेरी एस्थेटिकली प्लीजिंग. ऑल द बेडरूम्स, जितने भी बेडरूम्स हैं सबके अंदर इन्होंने बेड बैग को अच्छे से डेकोरेट किया हुआ है. द फॉल सीलिंग इज़ वेरी गुड. दिस इज़ द अटैच्ड वॉशरूम. नाउ इस वॉशरूम की सबसे बड़ी बात यह है, यू हैव अ सेपरेट ड्रेसिंग एरिया विद अ फुल वॉल ग्लास ऑलरेडी इन एयर. अब ये प्रॉपर्टी आपको कैसे लगी हमारे को कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस प्रॉपर्टी, लाइक द वीडियो, कॉल अस. अगर आपको ये प्रॉपर्टी अच्छी लगी एंड एनीवन फ्रॉम द फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स इज लुकिंग फॉर द प्रॉपर्टी, डू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद देम.